guys, today we will visit the Grand Bazar of Bursa province of Turkey and also inform about some historical facts about the Grand Bazar. Grand Bazar Bursa is a historical covered market that is more than 800 years old. When the founder of the Ottoman Empire, Orhan Ghazi, made Bursa his capital, he did large-scale construction works in the city, and one of them is the Grand Bazar of Bursa. The historic bazaar and an area of Turkey's northwestern Bursa province, known as a trading center for 8 centuries and a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is expected to be further transformed by new projects into the old city. Buildings adjacent to the historic area are being demolished as part of a new plan to transform it into a larger, open city. Thanks to the new project, the Grand Mosque of Bursa is now visible from the center of the old part of the city. With this project, more areas in the city are also expected to be reconstructed and beautified. Bursa, one of the former capitals of the Ottoman Empire, is home to historic mosques, madrasas, mausoleums and other architectural works. The city's historic bazaar and an area attest to the city's commercial background and early Ottoman architecture. The region still houses small shops and inns or caravanserais where traditional handicrafts are produced. Among the most famous caravanserais are Kuza Han and Epa Khan. Sultan Bayezid II ordered the construction of Koza Han in 1490. Its architect was Abd Allah bin Palad Shah. The historic building was used as the main center of the silkworm cocoon trade, which has contributed to Bursa's textile sector. The back of the building opens to Uzun Sars, Long Bazaar, through a beautiful blue tilework door. There are now many restaurants and cafes where visitors can relax in Koza Han. İpek Han is one of the largest caravanserai in the city. Sultan Mehmed I, reigned 1413 to 1421, commissioned Ayvaz Pasha, the most famous architect of the 15th century, to build it. This building was the meeting place of the silk producers in the city. Along with inns and caravanserais, the historic bazaars are the city's magic spots. KAPALI, covered market, located behind the Grand Mosque, is one of the oldest markets. Its history dates back to the era of Orhan Ghazi, the son of Osman Ghazi, the founder of the Ottoman Empire. The roofed bazaar has many shops, mainly selling textile products. The covered market in Bursa faced many natural disasters, as it experienced a major earthquake in 1855, and it was reconstructed according to the original. Furthermore, in 1958, the covered bazaar in Bursa was exposed to a major fire that completely destroyed it and was also repaired according to the original.